Hi, it's Miss Julie. This book is called Baby Loves Scientists. You Can Be Anything. It's written by Ruth Spiro, illustrated by Irene Chan. Do you remember that the author is the person who writes the words in a book, and the illustrator is the person who draws the pictures? Do you love science? Scientists are curious. They ask questions to find out about the world. You can be a scientist too. Do you love animals? You can be a zoologist. A zoologist studies how animals behave. Do you wonder what things are made of? You can be an applied chemist. An applied chemist creates new materials out of atoms and molecules, like nitrogen, carbon dioxide, methane, water, and oxygen. Do you love to build? You can be a structural engineer. Structural engineers make sure things are built to last. You could use an arch, like the Arc de Triomphe in Paris, France. You could use a square, like Big Ben in London, or you could use a rectangle or a triangle, like at the White House in Washington, D.C. Do you love clouds and storms? You can be a meteorologist. A meteorologist helps predict all kinds of weather. Drip drop. Do you wonder how the natural world works? You can be a theoretical physicist. A theoretical physicist explains the laws of nature, why things happen the way they do. Like when you go down a slide, gravity is pulling you down the slide. Do you love planes and rockets? You can be an aerospace engineer. An aerospace engineer dreams up better ways to fly. Do you love thinking step by step? You can be a software engineer. A software engineer makes a plan and writes code so that electronic devices work. Choo-choo. Do you love to watch the stars? You can be an astronomer. An astronomer studies the universe, including planets, stars, and galaxies. Do you love music? You can be a sound engineer. A sound engineer mixes different sounds. Plink, plink, plink. Do you love your home, the earth? You can be an environmental scientist. An environmental scientist helps take care of our world by using wind energy, solar energy, and geothermal energy. Scientists study, learn, and solve problems. The world needs scientists. You can be a scientist. You can be anything.